Hello, I'm Johnny Cash.
Another town, another place, another girl, another face, another truck, another race. I'm eating junk, feeling bad. Another night, I'm going mad. My woman's leaving, I feel sad. But I just love the life I lead. Another beer is what I need. Another gig, my ears bleed. We are the road.
Yo. Hey there, this is Chainsaw from Granite City Riders. Those of you that have seen our videos before know we like to document our rides, share with all the Northern Cali riders out there. Our latest ride is from Folsom, California, out to the coast, up Highway 1 and 101, all the way to the Northern Oregon coast, and then eventually to Portland. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, babe, what's in your eyes?
One word comes to mind after I got back from this ride. Bridges. Lots and lots of bridges. Oh, and what would a ride to Oregon be without a little rain?
For a little more.
As always, our ride started in Folsom, California. First day had a lot of straight, flat roads, but it was beautiful weather, and we knew that the next couple days would have a lot of beautiful views and a lot of curvy roads.
Mama, don't you cry, don't you worry. I cannot stay.
I'll put my camera on my back fender like I did last time.
Yeah? Yes.
Calling that only seems to get much stronger. And I know it's hard to see the one you come to lean on make his way far beyond the one, but I can't stay. I won't stop running. I'm only getting closer to getting on the ground this time. The sky is calling, the wind is at my shoulders. Won't let this chance pass me by. Mama, I'm built to fly.
After a 300-mile day, we hit Garberville. It's Humboldt County, so there was definitely a funny smell in the air. We were able to find some good food, have a few drinks, and get a good night's sleep before we took off the next day.
You're going on videotaping.
I'm just gonna wear my chaps tonight.
You're wearing your chaps?
Yeah.
Nice. Nothing else?
Just
You want me to hold that open for you too? Look alive.
With the horses that you ride and the feelings left inside, comes a time you need to leave all that behind. Well, they claim they like to know anyone could let it go, and the people gather round for the last show. Well, there is a reward to live and die by the sun, where they try to complicate you.
The Avenue of the Giants is definitely the highlight of the ride so far. You feel pretty small riding mile after mile into these giants.
All left for recollection, and finally it's all gone.
Avenue of the Giants was beautiful, but that was just the beginning of our second day. Our last stop in California was the Lost Coast Brewery in Eureka. It ended up being one of our favorite stops. I mean, you can't go wrong with a brewery that has a motorcycle on its label.
Shed a tear 'cause I'm missing you. I'm still alright to smile. Girl, I think about you every day now. Was a time when I wasn't sure, but you set my mind at ease. There is no doubt you're in my heart now. Said woman, take it slow, it'll work itself out fine. All we need is just a little patience. Said sugar, make it slow, and we'll come together fine. All we need is just a little patience.
The Oregon coast was beautiful, and going in and out of the fog all day made for some really awesome views.
Sit here on the stairs, 'cause I'd rather be alone. If I can't have you right now, I'll wait here. Sometimes I get so tense, but I can't speed up the time. But you know, love, there's one more thing to consider. Said woman, take it slow, things will be just fine. You and I'll just use a little patience. Said sugar, take the time, 'cause the lights are shining bright. You and I've got what it takes to make it. We won't fake it. I'll never break it, 'cause I can't take it.
Do they serve beer?
I'm sure they can make that happen.
Okay, we need a beer. We were talking about taking it easy tonight, but I've had second thoughts about that.
Me too.
The third day, we continued up the Oregon coast until we hit the town of Tillamook, where they make the cheese. From there, we headed due east to Portland.
Well, it wouldn't be an adventure if nobody broke down. About 100 miles outside of Portland, we spent some time on the side of the road trying to get one of our buddies' bikes back up and running. We reconnected the flux capacitor and greased the ball bearings, and we were back on the road in no time. We were all pretty jacked that we were able to get the bike going to make the last leg of the trip. Next stop, Portland.
I'll never be your beast bird. My back is broad, but it's a hurt. All I want for you to make love me. I'll never be your beast bird. I've walked for miles, my feet hurt. All I want for you to make love me. Am I hard enough? Am I rough enough? Am I rich enough? I'm not too blind to see. I'll never be.
Riding the California and Oregon coast is always beautiful, and it won't be the last time we ride north. But if you don't ride to Portland to have a cold beer this year, just remember, you'll be 1 year older when you do.